Great morning, children. Welcome to the English class. Today we'll start a lesson 1 of grammar, that is common and proper noun. So, children, what is proper noun? A proper noun is a specific name of a person, place, thing, or animal. So, children, it's a particular name or special name of a person, place, thing, or animals. And what is a common noun? A common noun is a general name of person, place, thing, or animal. Or common noun is a common name. Common name or general name of a person, place, thing, or animal. So, children, example of proper noun. What is example of proper noun? Example, Jackie Chan. Jackie Chan is a name of the person. It's a special name of the person. Devon House. It's a special name of the place. And Jansport bag, it's a special name of the thing. And Lassie is a name of the animal. It's a special name of the animal. So, children, proper noun is a special name of the person, place, animal, or thing. Now look at the example of common noun. Here is a girl. Girl is a common noun. In girls, all girls can become. Cat is a common noun. In cat, all cats can become. Church is a common noun. All the church can become in the church. And bag is also a common noun. So, children, these are the examples of the common noun. Here, children, difference between a proper and common noun. What is the difference between the proper and common noun? So, children, proper noun usually start with a capital letter. It always start with a capital letter. And common noun usually start with a common letter. But, children, in common noun, this is a thing you have to remember, that if the common noun comes in the starting of the sentence, then it begin with a capital letter, and it comes in between the sentence, so it start with a small letter. Common noun start with a capital or small letter both. And second difference is, a proper noun sometimes consists of two words, like Mount Everest, there two words are here. New York, two words are here. And common noun always consists of one word. It always consists of one word, like teacher, student, child, always consists of one word. Now, children, here which is a proper noun, like boy, Harry, television, school, which is a proper noun? So, in this worksheet, here Harry is a name of the child, special name of the child, so it is a proper noun. And which is common noun here? Emancipation Park, table, Kim Possible, Macmillan Science textbook. You know that proper noun is always start with a capital letter. So, children, Emancipation Park is the name of the park, Kim Possible is the name of the girl, and Macmillan Science textbook is the name of the book. Here, table is a common noun. Children, you have to identify with a capital or small letter both. You have to identify. Three are starting from the capital letter. These are the proper noun, and table is a common noun. So, children, here is a worksheet. In this worksheet, what you have to do? Underline the common noun in these sentences. You have to read the sentence and underline the common noun. Like, the carrots are in the refrigerator. Children, you know that carrot and refrigerator are the common noun. So, you have to underline it. Carrot, you have to underline the carrot and the refrigerator, like this. I want to visit many countries. So, here countries are the common noun. So, children, you have to underline it. And second exercise is, circle the proper noun in the sentences. You know that proper noun is special name of person, place, animal, or thing. So, children, you have to circle the proper noun. Minnie goes for a swimming classes every day. Here, Minnie is a special name of the girl, so it is proper noun. You have to circle the proper noun here. Like Minnie, you have to circle the Minnie like this. Okay. Now, children, next worksheet is, common and proper noun. Here some words are given in the box. You have to read the words and write in the right column. Like, you know that a common noun is any person, place or thing, and proper noun is a specific person, place or thing. So children, you have to read the word like doctor. Doctor is a in doctor, all doctors can become, so it is a common noun. You have to write doctor in the common noun. Student is also come in the common noun, so you have to write in the common nouns column. Like streets, all streets can be come in the streets, so you have to write in the common noun. So children, you have to do this worksheet by yourself. You have to select the word and write in the right column. Okay children. Okay children, I hope you have understood the topic well. So children, thank you.